Hi everyone and welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. Today we're cooking veggie spaghetti bolognese. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes and hit the bell notification to be alerted for more new recipes to come. Make sure to watch to the end as we'll be going through step by step. So let's get started. You'll just need some soya mince, veggie mince, 1 onion and 1 clove of garlic for this quick recipe. You'll also need some spaghetti and let that boil while you are cooking the bolognese. Added some cooking oil into the pan along with some asafoetida. The asafoetida is completely optional. So let the onion and garlic cook down for a good 10 minutes until it caramelizes nicely. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of sugar, salt and pepper as per taste. Half a cup of tomato passata, tablespoon of tomato puree, Don't forget to check out my channel, Reeta Soul Food, for more recipes. So cook this down for about 5 or 10 minutes on a medium heat. I've just added half a splash of water. Just adding some chilli sauce, a teaspoon. So we're ready to go in with the veggie mince now. I'm just going to add some salt, chilli sauce and black pepper as per taste. So let this cook down for a further 10 to 15 minutes. See the flavors really coming together and all the deliciousness just mingling and bubbling away. So our spaghetti has been cooking simultaneously, and as per the instructions, it's ready to plate out. I like to put the spaghetti down first and then layer it, and then have the vegetarian soya mince over the top. This is a great quick snack for one or two, and you can increase the amount of onion and garlic if you're cooking for more. Thank you so much for watching today, and don't forget to check out the other recipes on my channel, Reeta's Soul Food.